Mauritius is an island in the Indian Ocean, offers an amazing visitor attraction, an underwater waterfall. The country includes several islands of volcanic origin. The main island is surrounded by coral reefs and has sandy beaches. Mauritius comprises a total number of 16 islands and islets. The place is well connected to Madagascar in the east. Mauritius is a popular destination for Indian, although Mauritius is a world-famous destination for its heavenly beach resort. Other than beauty, Mauritius is famous for its hospitality. Today in this video, I will guide you with 5 night 6 days tour plan for Mauritius along with flight details, hotel details, visa procedure, currency, food cost, day-wise tour plan and entire cost breakup. So don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. The easiest and time-saving way to reach Mauritius is via air. You can take direct or indirect flight to reach Mauritius as it's well connected to all major cities of India. It's better to take indirect flights. First board flight for Dubai from any city of India. After that, take a flight for Mauritius from Dubai, which will cost around 35 to 40,000 for both sides per person. Book your air ticket from Google Flight to get best offers. Indian tourists do not require visa to visit Mauritius. You will get visa on arrival. Just keep your passport and accommodation proof handy. Tourist visa is valid for 60 days. Currency of Mauritius is Mauritian rupee. You can get the currency exchange done from India or at Mauritius airport. 1 MUR is equal to 1.75 INR. US dollar is also accepted here, so you can carry those as well. You should keep at least 200 USD per person for your trip. Being a tropical region, seafood is best in Mauritius. You will also get Indian food thali in just 12 MUR. So on an average, you have to spend 300 rupees per day per person. Best season to visit Mauritius is between May to December. During winter, temperature ranges between 24 degrees centigrade. Hotel and resort prices are a bit higher than other places. On an average, it will cost 3,000 to 5,000 rupees per night. I have mentioned few good resorts below in the description box. Now coming to the most important point, which is day-wise tour plan. Day 1, on arrival at Mauritius airport, hire a cab and reach your hotel. Get fresh quickly and start for Chemarel 7-colored earth waterfall. Chemarel is a village in the southwest corner of Mauritius. The place is well known for Ram Distillery and 7-colored earth geopark. Must visit the 7-colored earth. It's a vast area of sand dunes with different colors, sand going from red to brown, violet, green, blue, purple and yellow. Here you can also see Chemarel waterfall is the highest single drop waterfall of Mauritius. You can also roam around Diboni Forest nature. Here is the incredible. You should take jeep tour guide if you want to go inside the forest. Here you can go by cab, which will cost 3,000 to 4,000 rupees for whole day. Or you can go there by bus, which will cost 300 rupees per person. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at Mauritius. Day 2. After breakfast, start for full day excursion to Lee Ox Curves, which is an emerald lagoon on the east coast. By boat you will reach the island. You can spend your entire day in the beach and water activities and water sports like undersea walk, banana boat, parasailing. It's a full day catamaran cruise tour. Cost for this tour will be 4,000 to 5,000 rupees for 2 people, including barbecue lunch. By evening, back to hotel and overnight stay. Day 3, start for North Island tour. On this tour, you will go to Port Louis, Place d'Armes with its French colonial buildings. First, go to Mauritius Botanical Garden. The garden stretches over endless acres of land and it can take you more than a week to cover the whole garden. Then visit Sugar Estate and Museum. In the estate, you will discover the profound effect and key part of sugar. Then visit the Port Louis, the capital of Mauritius. It's the largest city and the economic and administrative center of the island. Right off the main square, you can stroll around palm-lined Place d'Armes. Then visit the Port Louis waterfront and the Le Cordon waterfront shopping complex. Then visit the craft market with wonderful ambience where you can find a lot of souvenirs. Then visit Port Louis Central Market. It's an ideal place for textiles, spices, fruits and lot more. Then visit Fort Adélaïde. The fort offers a vast panorama on Port Louis. The fort is also known as Citadel Fort. Then visit Grand Bay Beach. It's a seaside village. Grand Bay owes its popularity to the enchanting quality of its emerald waters. You can book packages for this for Mauritius, or you can just hire a cab which will cost around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees for 2 people. Or you can cover those places by public transport if you want. It will cost just around 500 rupees per person. Day 4, start for South Island tour of Mauritius. First go to Crocodile and Giant Tortoise Park. This is home to many animals, reptiles and plants. Also thousands of Nile crocodiles are found in the park. The Tortoise Park also offers a mini zoo of Mauritian fauna. Then visit Greece. It's well known for its sea cliff and a sight worth seeing. This part is surrounded by thick wave crash on the cliffs. Then go to Boicheri, the biggest tea producer of Mauritius. You can taste new range of flavored tea here. Then visit Saint Aubin House. It's a part of Mauritian heritage. Then visit Grand Bassin, situated 6 km southeast of Mayoros Vacoas. It's 1800 feet above sea level. It's a holy Hindu temple. Beside this, you can also go to Mangala Mahadev temple dedicated to Shiva. The statue is 108 feet, one of the highest statues of the world. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at Mauritius. Cost for this entire tour will be 5,000 rupees for 2 people. If you visit those places by public transport, then cost will be 600 rupees per person. Day 5. On day 5, move towards southwest part of Mauritius, Le Morny Brabant. It's one of the best mysterious phenomena. A spectacular illusion, the underwater waterfall located off the east coast of Le Morny Brabant. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Best and cost-effective way to reach the place is by bus. It will take 300 rupees per person and just within 1 hour you will reach the destination. Once done, back to hotel and overnight stay at Mauritius. Day 6, back to India from Mauritius. This is how your entire trip will end here. So now this is the cost breakup for the entire tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.